Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So the question that we have today is that a teacher distributed two types of articles, that is A and B, okay, among six children, namely Anya, Ayush, Ajay, Anand, Arushi and Arohi. And the number of articles of type A received by the children are X, 19, 36, 13, 27 and 31. Okay, so for type A, what do we have? We have X, 19, 36, 30, 13, 27 and 31. Okay, and the number of type B articles among the children are 19, 31, 24, 41, 11 and 37. Okay, not necessarily in the same order. Now, X is also a natural number. And out of the given children, Anya, Arushi and Arohi are girls, whereas the rest are boys. Okay. Now, additional information has been given that a boy and a girl received a total of 46 and 58 articles respectively. And each of the remaining four children received a total of more than 46 but less than 58 articles. The girl who received 58 articles received 27 articles of type A. Okay, so the girl who received 58 articles, she got 27 articles of type A, okay, and 31 articles of type B. Okay, it means that she got 31 articles of type B. So 31 articles of type B and 27 of type A are out of scope for us. Okay, so this is what we have. Acha. Rest you see that you know that one boy has received 46 articles. Okay, a boy has received 46 articles. Okay, including A and B. Okay, so let's say of A, if he got 19 articles, so he needs another 27 articles from B, which is not happening because there are no person got 27 articles of type B. For 36, we need 10 articles of B, not possible. For 13, we need 33 articles of type B, which is also not possible. And for 31, we need 15 articles of type B, which is also not possible. That means the boy who got 46 articles got X of A articles and some articles of B. We do not know which one. Okay. So this is there. Acha. Now, if you observe properly, okay, what you will find is, okay, that acha, 27 has been linked with 31. Okay, 27 has been linked with 31. What we saw is now others have to get more than 46 and less than 58. Okay. So now what is going to happen is, guys, the person who gets 19 articles, okay, the person who gets 19 articles, he has only one possibility, he or she has only one possibility, that is having 37 articles of type B. Okay, that is having 37 articles of type B. Why is so? Because if you see, guys, what is happening over here is, okay, 27 and 31 are already, okay. For 19, if you have to make it more than 46, okay, for 19, if you have to make it more than 46, you have to take a number which is 27 plus, okay, which is 27 plus, okay. Whereas from the person who has received 13 articles, okay, whereas from the person who has received 13 articles, for that person, you need a number that is 33 plus, okay, you need a number that is 33 plus, okay. Acha. So you see for 13, both the possibilities are there, and for 19 also both the possibilities are there. Okay. But if you check 41 with 19, it will cross 60 ka margin. Okay. It will be 60, which is more than 58. So 19 cannot be linked with 41. So the number which is going to be linked with 41 will be 30. Okay. So I'm going to write A and B over here, and I'm going to write the linkage. Okay. So what do we have is, first is 27 of here with 31 of this. Second we have is 13 and 41, and third we have is 19 and 36. So first of all, let's cancel them out. These parties are gone. Okay. Now what you know is that the person who got 46 got X articles. Okay. So what we know is that X plus something of B should be equal to 46. Okay. Now that something could be 19. Okay. If it is 19, then X should be equal to 27. Okay. If that something is 24 is equal to 46, in that case the value of X will be equal to the value of X will be equal to 22. And when it is 11 articles of B, in that case the value of X would be equal to 35. Okay. So X has three possible values. Okay. X has three possible values. Okay. So now it means there will be three cases which will be formed, which is case one. Okay. Case one, you go to here, X will be equal to 27. Okay. X will be equal to 27. Okay. Now type A is there, type B is there. Okay. Type A and type B are there. Okay. So now what we know is 27 was linked with 31. Okay, 27 is linked with 31. 13 is linked with 41. Okay, and 19 is linked with 37. Now we know that X, that is 27, is linked with 90. X 27 is linked with 90. Okay. Now 36 and 24 cannot go together. So the only possibility is that 36 and 11 go together. Okay, 36 and 11 go together, and 31 and 24 they go together. Okay. So what we have is that 31 and 24 they go together. Okay. So this is case one that we have. Okay. Then we will be having a case two wherein X will be equal to 22. Wherein X will be equal to 22, and you have A and B. Okay. Where you have A and B. So what is it? That 27, 31 are already linked. 13 and 41 are already linked. 19 and 37 are already linked. Here X is equal to 22 and it goes with pairs with 24. Okay. So now 24 is also gone. Okay. Now you are left with 36 and 31 in the first area and 19 and 11 over here. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, if you take 31 and 11, okay, 31 and 11 will give you a total of 40. So that is not happening, right? So that means 31 definitely needs to go with 19. 31 needs to go with 19, and in that case 36 will go with 11. And then guys, we have the third case over here. Take a case 3 where X is equal to 35. Okay, there let's see what do we have the possible cases for A and B. So 27 and 31 are fixed. Take it. 13 and 41 are fixed. 19 and 37 is also fixed. Take it. And here A is 35 and B is 11. Take it. So 11 is good. Now what you are left with 36, 31 from A and 24 and 19 over here. Now 36 and 24 will give you a higher number. Take it. 36 and 24 will give you a higher number, so because you cannot go more than 60. So that means 36 and 24 are not going to be linked. That means 36 is going to be linked with 19. Okay, 36 is going to be linked with 19. And in that case, 31 will be linked with 24. Okay, so this has been given to us. So these are the three cases that have been formed now. Okay, now we are still left to identify with the children who are there. Okay, chalo. We know that Anya received 31 articles of type B. Okay, so in all the cases we know that Anya is this person. Okay, Anya is this person. Okay, Anya is clear to us. Okay, she is always the first. Okay, chalo. Let's see if there's anything else we can identify. Okay, so we have been given that number of type A articles received by Ajay is more than type B articles received by child who got the maximum number of articles, and so on. So such things have been. Okay, so maximum number of articles also it is talking about. So we should definitely calculate the total sum in all the cases. Okay, the total we should be able to calculate. So here it is 27 plus 31, 58. 41 plus 13 is 54. 37 and 19 is 56. 27 and 19 is 46. 36 and 11 is 47, and this is 55. Okay. Now here if you calculate the totals, if you do, this is again 58. Okay, this is again 54, and this is 56. Okay, 42 plus 22 is 46. 31 plus 19 is 50, and 36 plus 11 is 47. Okay, and over here if you calculate the totals, what will you get? So this is again 58, this is 54, this is 56. Okay, 35 plus 11 is 46, 36 plus 19 is 55, and 31 plus 24 is also 55. Okay, 31 plus 24 is also 55. So this is what we have. Okay, chalo. So let us move towards the questions. Now, which of the following can be the total number of articles received by Ajay? Now, for Ajay, what you know is that type A received by Ajay is more than the number of type B articles received by the child who received maximum number of articles. So in all the cases, the maximum number of articles are 58. Okay, and that person has received 31 type B articles. Okay, that person has received 31 type B articles. Okay, so that means Ajay needs to receive what either 30, Ajay needs to receive 36 articles. Okay, 36 articles of type A. So here, this one will be Ajay. Okay, this guy is Ajay because he has received more 36 articles of type A, which is more than type B articles of the highest number of receiver. Okay. Here also again, now you have to find which person got 36. So here it is 36. So here Ajay ka total was 47. Here also Ajay ka total is 47. Okay. Whereas over here, if you talk about Ajay is this guy. Okay, this guy is Ajay, and here he is getting 55. Here he is getting he is getting 55 articles. Okay, here he is going to get 55 articles. Okay. So this is what is happening over here. Okay. So guys, okay, more than, all right, child 2 or child 5. Just a second, guys. Okay. Acha, here we have two cases, guys. In this one, we have two cases that both these people could be Ajay because in both of them have got more than 31 type A articles. And the cutoff was that more than 31 should be the type A article. So here we have two cases for Ajay. That is, the number of articles that Ajay could have received is 46 or it is 55. So the number of articles for Ajay from case 1 and 2 is 47. Whereas from case 3 it is 55 and 46. Okay. So there are three possible cases. Look at the options. You see all three are available. So the correct answer is option number D, that it could be either A or B or C. So this is there. Okay. So for Ajay, first question we have done. Come to the second question. Okay. What does the second question tell? That what is the number of articles of type B received by Ajay? Okay. So Ajay in this case is here 11. Okay. Ajay in this case is here 11. Okay. Whereas Ajay in this case is these two things. Okay. These two people, that is 11 and 9. So either Ajay got 11 articles or he got 19 articles, which we cannot determine. So the correct answer for this will be option number D, cannot be determined. Okay. Come to the third question. If the number of articles of type A, just a second, let us remove this circles. Okay. If the number of articles of type A received by one of the girls is 31. Okay. So that means this is a girl. Okay. This is a girl and this one is a girl. Okay. And apart from that, what we know is that Anya is also a girl. Okay. Then the maximum number of articles received by all the girls together can be. Okay. Okay. So what we know here is that Ajay is a boy over here. Okay, we know that Ajay is a boy, this one is a girl. Okay. Apart from that, what we have been given is, okay, that Ayush received more number of articles than that received by Arushi. Okay. So Ayush needs to receive more number of articles than that received by Arushi. So if in case 1, this G, the girl that we have been given that got received 31 articles of A, if that is Arushi, then in that case, Ayush needs to be this person. Okay, in that case, Ayush needs to be this person. Okay, if Ayush is that person, now we are left with two people, one boy and one girl, and we do not know anything about them. Okay, so because we have to maximize the number of articles, we will take that this one is a girl. Okay, if you take this, what we will get is that 58 plus 54. Okay, 58 plus 54 plus 54. These are the number of articles that have been received. So the total over here goes to 58 plus 55 plus 54. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, this is what we get. Okay, so all right. I hope we are not missing any condition given. Okay. All right, guys. So perfect. So from here we get that 167 articles are received by the girls. Okay, in case 1. Okay, let's go to case 2. We know this is Anya. Okay, we definitely know this is Anya. Okay. Okay. Now what has been given to us is that this person is a girl. Okay, this person is a girl. All right. So now what do we have? Now only one condition is left to be satisfied. Okay, only one condition is left to be satisfied, that Ayush receive more number of articles than that received by Arushi. Okay. So if this girl is Arushi, okay, if this girl is Arushi, then in that case, Ayush needs to receive more than that. So Ayush could be 54 or 56, anything. Okay. Take. Okay. Now, if Ayush is 54, then only we will be able to maximize the girls because two girls are fixed. Okay. And if Ayush has to be more, okay, it has to be 54 because we need to give 56 to the third girl. Okay. We need to give 56 to the third girl. So here, what are the number of articles? We have 58, we have a 56, and we have a 50. So the total number of articles in this case comes out to be 164. Okay, the total number of articles comes out to be equal to 164. Okay, so in first case we had 167, in second we have 164. Okay, now coming to the third case. Now we know that first girl that who has 58 articles is Anya, and the second girl who has 55 articles is a girl. Okay, acha, what the only condition that is left to be satisfied over here is that Ayush received more articles than those received by Arush. Okay, Ayush has received more articles than those received by Arush. All right. So guys, see, now this girl is 55. Okay, this girl is 55. Okay, if you take Arushi to be the girl who got 46, you will not be able to maximize the number of articles. Okay, so Arushi won't be this person. Okay, Arushi won't be this person. Now Arushi has what possibilities that if Arushi goes to 54, in that case Ayush can take 55 or 56. Okay, if Arushi goes to 54, if goes to 54, then in that case Ayush can have 55 articles, and that means the other girl for BK, because nothing has been given about them, so we can take the other girl got 56. So this is one possible case, that 58, 55 and 56. Okay, 58, 55 and 56 is another possibility. Okay, all right, just let me see if it is clearly fine. Okay, this one is a girl and this one is a girl. We know that. What we know is that Ayush needs to receive more articles than Arushi. So if Arushi is taken as 54, acha, so in that case, this will be Arushi will be 54. Okay, so that means Arushi over here is 50. But there is one more case, because you have two 55s. Okay, so what you can say is that Arushi was one among them. Okay, and if Arushi was one among them, then Ayush, because Ayush is no matter what, Ayush is going to occupy 56 position. Okay, because even if you take Arushi as 54 or 55, Ayush in any case is going to have your 56 position. Okay, Ayush is occupying the 56 position. Okay, wait. Okay, if we take Arushi as 54 and we take Ayush as this, so Arushi ke we will be having 54. Okay, and in that case, other girl will be 54. Okay. However, what we can do is we can have Ayush as 56. Okay, because we are having Ayush as 56. And what we can do is we can take Arushi as the person with 55. So hence here two girls will be having 55 articles each. So the total value will go to 168 articles by the way. So in all these cases, in one case we got 164, other we got 167, and in the third we have got 168. So the maximum number of articles that could have been received by the girls will be equal to 168. That is option number B. So with this, the set is done, guys, and it was a pretty good set. And if you were able to solve it, kudos to that. Take care. And hope you have understood the set well now. Thanks for watching the video, guys.